It's really good.
Oh, it's cold right here.
I know it's cold right here too.
Probably very deep right there. Cave, smile, baby.
Have you got him on video?
Yes.
Singing about them hollers way back in the woods. Don't know nothing, ain't ever been muddin'. Gotta get a little dirty like a country boy should. Come on down, pitch a rip, get a swallow. Son, we live so far back in the holler.
We got the sunshine in and the moonshine out. Gonna show you what a real hillbilly's about. Light up the smoke and pass a jug around. Get drunker than Cooter Brown. Them hayseed honeys don't care about the money, just the soup cup, big block muffler sound. We're tearing it up and throwing it down. We got the sunshine in and the moonshine out.
You wanna know how to get here? Follow them John Deere's, place this small lane on the map. Whiskey in the mountain air, Lord, I just love it here. Get a little swig of the sour mash. Come on down, pitch a rip, get a swallow. Son, we live so far back in the holler.
We got the sunshine in and the moonshine out. Gonna show you what a real hillbilly's about. Light up the smoke and pass a jug around. Get drunker than Cooter Brown. Them hayseed honeys don't care about the money, just a souped up big black muffler sound. We're tearing it up and throwing it down. We got the sunshine in and the moonshine out.
Come on down if you think you can hang. We'll be kicking up dust and raising some cane. It's a hillbilly hold down, redneck throw down, country kind of thing.
Got the sunshine in and the moonshine out. I'll show you what a real hillbilly's about.
Light up your smoke, pass a jug around.
Get drunker than Cooter Brown, yeah. And hayseed honeys don't care about the money, just a souped up big black muffler sound.
We're tearing it up and throwing it down.
Got the sunshine in, got the sunshine in, got the sunshine in, yeah.
And the moonshine out.
Way back in the backwoods.
We got the sunshine in and the moonshine out.